Today, we're going to be talking about overtrading, profit factor, and setting profit goals. These are overlooked by many traders, but they are so important to understanding risk management and your profitability. So stay with us.
Welcome to Holy Grail Algo, simplified trading. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Holy Grail Algo is not liable for any loss or damages which may result directly or indirectly from such content.
So let's see what NinjaTrader says about profit factor. And it's here on their website, and it's a ratio. And it gives you an idea how much more money that your strategy earns than what it loses. So a ratio that is less than 1 indicates that your strategy loses more money than what it earns. So if you had $1,500 in total wins and you also had $1,400 in total loss, you would take the $1,500 divided by the $1,400. This would give you a profit factor of 1.07. So let's take a look at an example here. This is an automated strategy that I have been testing. And this is testing from July to October. So this is 3 months worth. Now, I want to preface this by saying that we are using this on a VPS in Chicago and not on a local machine with a local internet connection because we want good order placement for this to work well. In this test, we don't have any profit limits. So it's just running wide open during the times that it actually trades. So this has taken 134 trades during the 3 months. It has produced a total net profit of just over 5,000. It's had a gross profit of just over 15,000. Now the gross loss is just under 10,000. So this has had to work pretty hard to produce the $5,000 of total net profit. It's also 75% is profitable here. Now, the profit factor is a 1.53, which is profitable. Anything like NinjaTrader says above a 1.0 is profitable. Now, NinjaTrader calculates this number from the gross profit of nearly 15,000 divided by 10,000 will give you the 1.53. So in looking at this, I can tell that this is overtrading. In other words, it's had to make an awful lot of trades to get to this level here. So what our objective here is to set a daily profit goal and a daily loss goal. So what we're going to do is come over to our profit loss limits here in our template, and we're going to add that. So we have a daily loss limit of $600 that we're going to add and a profit limit daily of $300. So we're going to run this test and see what it looks like with these parameters in here to see if we, one, can get our profit factor higher, get our gross loss down. Hopefully it also brings down the $1,300 in drawdown, and we take less trades. So that's what our objective here is. So let's run this test and see what this does. Our test is now complete, and you can see we have the $600 loss limit, $300 profit limit, and it's a noticeable improvement already. So let's dissect this and understand what we've got here. Our total net profit now is actually a little less than the just over $5,000 before. Our gross profit before was over 15,000, where now it is only 4,350. Our gross loss before was 9,900, almost 10,000, where now it is $900. And we now have a profit factor of 4.83, which is more than 3 times the 1.53 that we had before. Now, this is derived from taking 4,350 divided by the losses to achieve that number there. Noticeably, we have cut the number of trades down from 134 total trades to only 32. We also went from 75% profitable to a 90% profitable. Here we have only a $300 drawdown as compared to a $1,300 drawdown. So what this has done is this has prevented us from overtrading, and it's kept a daily profit goal in place for us. As you can see that this didn't have to work near as hard, a lot less trades, a lot less work to get to a better profitability here on this. You have a profit factor that is going to encroach 2.0 or higher. That shows that your particular trading system does produce a good profit. And we know that not all trades are going to be a winning trade. So we are going to sustain some losses in our trading. But this profit factor right here will help traders realize to the degree of, seeing their wins versus their losses better than just your percentage profitable. Most traders are just looking at the bottom line, the total net profit, as a means of their, how they're gauging their performance. But that's pretty deceptive. This alone can't tell you the efficiency of your trading system. Not only that, but it also is not going to let you see what your risk that you're going through to achieve this. However, this does. Your profit factor is showing you, the higher the profit factor here, the less risk that's going to go into this as well. So by setting profit goals, it's going to do a number of things. One, it's going to keep you from overtrading. Two, it's going to keep your exposure in the markets down. And three, it should prevent you from having too much commissions. This is video number 1 in a series of videos. In the next video, we're going to be sharing some new strategy techniques that we have released using this profit factor to our advantage, and we are really excited about it. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Thank you for watching Holy Grail Algo. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop us some comments.